Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to restore old right click context menu into your Windows 11 in a very simple way. We all faced if when you are in Windows 10 you have seen that if you click on the right mouse button there will be something different in this section. So how are you going to back to these old right context in Windows 11 in a very simple way? First, you have to come over into your Windows icon or start icon, click on the right mouse button and then go for terminal. If you click on that, make sure you select a terminal admin because there is two options called terminal and terminal admin. So if you just need to select terminal admin, click on that, click yes for the permission, and you can see here is our terminal admin is showing over here. So now what you need to do, you can see into my this notepad there is two command over here. One is to get classic right click menu, so I will going to copy this. I will give you this comment into video description. From there you can copy it and paste it into terminal admin, and you just simply now paste it over here and then click enter. You can see the operation completed successfully. So what you need to do, you just need to click on the start icon at the right mouse button and then you just need to go for task manager. After that, here into the search option you just need to search for exp, and you can see here is our Windows Explorer. So if you just click on this restart task over here, now if you just click on your right mouse button, you can see this is your old right click context menu into your Windows 11. You can undo it in a very simple way. You just simply come over into start icon and you just need to go for terminal admin, click yes for the permission, and then from here you just need to copy this the second one and copy it and going to paste it over here like this, click enter, and now you can see operation completed successfully. If you close it and click on the right mouse button, you can see now you came back into the new right click context menu for Windows 11. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.